Good evening, everybody. I want to talk to you about the Masters Golf Tournament and its growth from its beginning to now, both financial and as a tournament as a whole, and then how the tournament itself has actually affected the economy of the city of Augusta. So, my thesis statement is that the Masters Golf Tournament has grown from its modest beginning into the focal point of an entire city's economy and a machine that shows no sign of slowing down. So the Masters tournament began in 1934. It was founded by Bobby Jones after his retirement in 1930. This year, actually, for the first time since World War II, the Masters has been postponed due to COVID-19, and the potential implication of this and what it has on the economy, the effects on the economy within the city of Augusta is hard to estimate, but will definitely be a large effect. So if you were to look at the before and after pictures from 1934 to now of what the property of the Augusta National Golf Club and then also just the overall dynamic of the tournament looks like, it would be a staggering picture of both property growth and property addition, but then also the addition of people and the number of attendees and the amount of money spent. So I want to talk about both the financial growth and then the economic growth that has caused on the city of Augusta. So in 2015, the Masters made approximately $115 million just from the tournament alone. And the average ticket price was between $1,000 and $7,000 depending on the day. So that's not the highest ticket, that's just based the average. So there were a lot more expensive tickets and a lot cheaper tickets. So the growth of the tournament has not only been financial, but also that the financial growth has compounded into economic growth for the city of Augusta. So in 2015, Golf Digest reported that the club spent $55 million over the preceding 15 years acquiring 100 acres near the course. These land grabs resulted in a reshaping of Augusta's infrastructure, some of which the club has been very happy to accommodate. During the construction of New Berkman's Road in 2015, Augusta National loaned the city $17 million to expedite the completion of the process. So the golf club itself was not necessarily happy with how the landscape around the Augusta National looked, because it looks a little bit run down and has a lot of restaurants. So they began to pick up different properties so that it looked more presentable. So in 2017, Augusta National spent a reported $25 million buying about 5 acres from the neighboring Augusta Country Club, also that it could add about 50 yards to its 13th hole. So they spent $25 million just to add 50 yards. So the influx of revenue within the city of Augusta during the tournament is staggering. So as far as the housing and real estate and hotel industry goes, the price of accommodation goes through the roof, with houses on the budget end of Airbnb fetching at least $1,000 a night through the week. And though exact numbers are elusive and somewhat hard to find, estimates have put the total economic impact of the Masters at $120 million for the city annually. So not only has the Masters grown in its popularity around the world and its prestige as a golf tournament, but it's also grown in its economic influence on the city, and we have seen the city of Augusta grow because of it. Thank you.